Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts directly into your PC so you don't have to use a mobile device, whether it's a cell phone, perhaps a tablet. It's actually pretty simple. So the first thing that you need to know is that your video has to meet specific criteria to be considered a YouTube Short. Once that is completed, you can essentially go and upload a video like you normally would. So as you can see here, we upload videos. We go ahead and just simply drag and drop our video here or select files. You can do up to 15 at a time. They all must be under 3 minutes and have a 1080 by 1920 resolution, which gives you HD. And they also need to have a 9 by 16 vertical aspect. And by that, I mean this. So if you go into the actual support for YouTube Shorts, it tells you 3 minutes. It has to be a square or vertical aspect ratio. If you Google that, it simply tells you that it needs to be vertical, which we know as a 9:16 aspect ratio. Again, 1080 by 1920, and it needs to be under 3 minutes. Once that is met, if you just simply drag and drop your video here, then it's going to appear under Shorts. It should appear immediately. If it doesn't appear by the time that it's been uploaded but not published, right, because you want to make sure that it is a short, it'll go ahead and show exactly how you see it here on my screen as a draft. Of course, once you're ready, you publish it, then you're good to go. If it doesn't appear on the Shorts playlist that you see here, then that means that there's something wrong with the video or one of the criteria has not been met. Make sure that you meet all of the criteria that I mentioned earlier, and you should be good to go. If you see the video coming up on the long form playlist, which would be over here or tab, then that means again that it's not a short and you need to change a few things. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, consider liking, subscribing, all the stuff, right? And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to help you as always. I will see you on the next one. Later.